Babies and best too, man. Welcome to another FX code.
This FX code, you can notice that we did not put any intro, our usual intro, because we are not joking. This one is not a joke. We are not playing with these idiots and these charlatans that think they can censor people on YouTube because they have trickery. Okay, so a couple of days ago we woke up and found out that some of our videos have been blocked on YouTube, particularly our videos of Prophet Ubat Angel. Yeah? And he claimed to block the video based on copyright grounds. Prophet Ubat Angel and Afrinoli Pictures. Ubat Angel did not use his own account to do it so that people would not come out to say Ubat Angel blocked videos. So I'm sure he bribed Afrinoli Pictures so that they can use their own accounts to be blocking videos on YouTube. His videos. So basically every video we did on Ubat Angel has been blocked. And normally on YouTube, what we do is covered under fair use, under commentary. US Law 107 covers us. So basically, when we submit a counter, we dispute, submit a counter notification for that, Afrinoli Pictures will reject it without reviewing it. So basically, they have found a loophole in the YouTube system that they can use to basically scrub YouTube of all contents, all videos talking about them. We thought it was we being targeted, but we found out that most content on Ubat Angel have been scrubbed. Most content criticizing Ubat Angel has been scrubbed on the internet. And I tried to contact YouTube. I sent them an email and they've not responded. So basically, Ubat Angel has found a loophole to remove every content about him that states that he's a charlatan on YouTube, and is extending that to all Bushiri and Jeremiah and all of them, their videos.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. Ubat Angel of darkness. That is who you are. The truth I'm telling you is I'm not God, but I will say you will never make heaven. There's no two ways about it. I know you will still try to bribe your way to make heaven.
This one, Ubat Angel will bribe the heavenly host.
I don't know who will collect bribe from you in heaven. If you can bribe your way on earth, I bet you cannot bribe your way to make it.
Don't be too sure. This Ubat Angel guy, he can change.
Okay, I know the people that they will scam him. Angel of darkness will come to him and say, give us.
He might have a spiritual aboki that can change dollars to heavenly money. All this one you are saying he will go to. He will bribe at the gate of heaven. He will bribe Satan. This one.
See, let me just tell you. Your FIR has been created separately. So it's very big. What about waste? If you are called a real man of God and you believe you are a real man of God, first of all, I noticed something. You remember when people goes to his page to fire him and tell him all sort of things that he's doing against people, he decided to block his comment section. I know that something is coming off. With that name, they have a plan. They have been losing a lot of church members. They have been the more money they get before, they don't get it again. People's eyes has been opening. Small eyes sit down, they open. Now before all of us be mugu, but now they not be mugu again. Now you now decided that this thing will still be there forever. Other people that want to fall victory will now fall victim. When they see the video, they will now fall victory.
Victory.
This what I don't like about you.
Yeah, it's too early in this episode to start this your half stuff.
It's just too much for me to carry, so that they will not fall victory again. They know that if this video still remains
on
YouTube,
people will watch it.
People will watch it. They will be like breasted. Like breasted. They will be like breasted. Now, he now thought of something. What can I do to shut these people down? But the truth is, you cannot shut us down. But the only problem you will have is if you do any video, we will pick whatever you say and come and analyze it. They will not come and put your video there. So now,
you see, it's very annoying, because even when they say, usually in a copyright claim, if you say somebody uses your video, you have where it's copyrighted, then you can report that part that somebody used it. And if the person says, they can cut that part out. But this person, this Afrinoli picture that Ubat Angel bribed, they will select your whole video and report it. That is their own video. And YouTube is not doing anything about it.
How come you see our face from the beginning of every video and you are claiming to be your video? I be like your family member.
I don't understand.
I be like your church member.
Please, somebody is abusing the copyright tool on YouTube and Ubat Angel is behind it. Afrinoli pictures. It will not be well with you people. Wherever you are, God will punish you because you are scammers. Afrinoli pictures. Repent.
You people dislike the truth, right?
They don't like the truth.
As you are speaking the truth through comedy, you don't like it.
They don't. It's not. Now look and check end time truth. Check everybody. They will start scrubbing this loophole they have found. If YouTube does not curb it, they will use it to remove most of the videos online. Even if you dispute, they will reject the dispute because they did not give you strike. They basically blocked the video. They will not say they did it basically copyright and block it. Hi, you can see the way people are behaving. You can see that this word there.
I not lie for you and jam placed.
It's very annoying.
And so much jam placed like
it's
this.
perplexed.
Jam placed. When something jam, you feed it. That is jam placed.
Oh, it jam you now. You're now.
Yeah, you know we know where you are. Something just boom.
Okay.
That jam placed.
Okay. So my people, please help us report to YouTube because it's like our mouth is smelling. We have talk and talk. YouTube is not answering. Help us report to YouTube. Afrinoli pictures.
Now,
Ubat Angel they are abusing the copyright tool to scrub the internet free of charlatans. They have even left Ubat Angel's video. Now they are reporting all Bushiri, all Jeremiah. They are reporting every video. If all the charlatans discover this thing now, they will use it to remove all the videos.
Then
of them
all their now I know their church member, their followers who don't have a spirit of discernment. Discernment.
It's okay.
To cast people, to know which kind of spirit the one using.
Okay.
That what discernment.
Okay.
Yeah, you know they see that they cast people.
Okay, continue with that.
You understand? So they will be happy now. I know it is their joy. Don't worry, that will not fall us. We will never fall, and it will never pull us down. We will keep up what we used to do. Yeah.
We will not stop. I've been doing this for 6 years. We will continue.
Some of you coming to our DM. Some of you sending threat messages. Continue, yeah. You think we are fearing you. Don't worry. The pit of hell has opened for you. Will fall. You don't know anything. Anyway, let's end this episode.
Okay. We'll round up the episode by saying, Prophet Ubat Angel, continue your scamming ways. We see you.
We know you are not a real man of God. You are a scammer.
We know what you are doing.
Yes.
We know you. Continue. Afrinoli pictures. YouTube will catch up with you for abusing their copyright too, because you are thieves. You are basically thieves. You collected money from a charlatan so that you'll be reporting videos. Continue. thank you guys for watching this episode. Don't forget, for a token fee, you can have your product displayed on our table, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LaughMayor. Follow him on Instagram at John Joshua Comedian. We'll see you on the next episode.
Thank you.